Now that Samsung's 2025 foldables have come, it's time to focus our attention on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The S26 Ultra launch may still be several months away, but we're excited to see what Samsung has in store for 2026 and how it plans to push its flagship devices forward. What is the release date for the new Samsung Galaxy phone? Samsung generally adheres to the same release schedule each year. Recently, Samsung's new flagships have typically arrived between the end of January and the beginning of February, with a Galaxy Unpacked event held around the start of the year. A wider distribution usually comes 2 weeks later. This brief window also implies that the release falls between January's CS and the NWC at the end of February. In other words, Samsung organizes the actual launch ceremony for a moment when it will be in the spotlight. It's also timed so that Samsung can claim to have the first phones out by the beginning of the year. However, OnePlus recently surpassed it by a few weeks, at least in China. For what it's worth, the Unpacked 2025 event that resulted in the Galaxy S25 unveiling took place on January 22nd. The 2024 episode occurred on January 17th. Both of these occurrences occurred in San Jose, California. All new Galaxy smartphones are normally released around the beginning of the year, and we don't expect that to change in 2026. So, the next Samsung phone, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, will be introduced in mid-January 2026, with the Galaxy S26 Plus and Galaxy S26. The S26 Ultra might be relaunched as the S26 Note, stressing its S Pen integration. Similarly, the S26 Plus may be renamed the S26 Pro to reflect the growing trend of Pro models seen on other manufacturers. How about the price? We don't know how much the Galaxy S26 Ultra will cost right now, as such information usually comes closer to the launch event. But there is some good news. The Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 will allegedly cost the same as the original Elite chipset. That means Samsung has one less component to worry about paying more for, and prices are more likely to remain stable. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.